because it is given alang sa inyong kalikod. With authority crumbles, the whole family crumbles. First of all, the authority of God over your lives. Ang usab nga nasa inyong mga liog represents the unending circle of love. It is not as a chain for binding prisoners, but it is that bond you entered willingly, which gives and causes the two of you to become one. This bond of love is an act of your will, and not just fleshly lust. It represents love that is willing to suffer long and kind to all adversities. It represents also love that is satisfied in whatever condition you find yourselves in, never envious or proud. It finds its place and purpose, then fulfills it. It is never selfish nor self-willed. Love never becomes angry without cause and does not look for faults in others. Mag-interject ko gamay, tungod kay paguli na ko niya, I be calling one of my kaila because he is always finding fault in his wife. I know his wife very, very well, faithful one, but they are having rocky marriage right now because the husband always find fault when there is. Never look for faults in others, but overlook shortcomings. It represents love that rejoices when truth and righteousness triumphs. Love never stops, but continues on forever if you're with it. Nolan wrote, inside the circle of love, you are no longer your own. Mangutana na no si Ruth, diin kagikan kagabi, inganong dogay kang uli. Because inside the circle of love, you are no longer your own. You are already accountable to someone else. Maura gyapon Roth maghilabot na si Arnold sa imong kinabuhi because you belong to each other. Let this cord and will be a reminder of your love. Let this be a witness of this new union of yours, your oneness, submission, and devotion to each other. In a juncture, ako ngayon ng mga sponsors, primary and secondary, to please stand up. We will go to the Lord in prayer. And may I ask one of my good friend, Pastor Aurelio Nagua, to please come here. Kung ang ato host Pastor Jung Bangin, to lead us in prayer. Pwede manilog ang tanang mga sponsors, as well as ang mga ginikanan. Pastor Aurelio, please lay hands on them. We will ask the Lord for more blessings and strength as they enter in this new phase of their lives. Samtang magalihan si Pastor Nagua, we will ask our good Pastor Jung Bangin to lead us in prayer for more blessings from God. Wala po kitang tanan together with Pastor Kumbagi.
Magampo.